everyone, this is Annie from Stamp Anything. I am the owner of Stamp Anything, and today I'm going to be presenting you our September 2024 release, which is our Bewitched, Bothered, and Bewildered release, which is based off of the show Bewitched. And let me go over here a little bit. And this is in honor of its 60th anniversary of the very first airing of the show, which was on September 17th, 60 years ago. We've been hanging on to doing this release for a while in order to commemorate the 60th anniversary. So I'm going to go through the products with you now. We have changed our stamp format as well, and this is the first release that is going to be reflecting that. We are now doing a 6x8 stamp and die set. It allows us to put some extra sentiments on our stamp sheets, as well as extra full image plus all the little extras that you see here too. So on this 6x8 stamp set, you can see you're actually getting 4 character chibis. Normally we've only done the 3, but you're also getting a moon, the briefcase, the little black cat, and the little retro stars, as well as extra sentiments. So you are going to be getting Bewitched herself, Samantha, her husband Darren, the mother Endora, and then the nosy neighbor Gladys Kravitz. The sentiments that come on this set are words are magic, you are magic, let's get together and gossip, have a bewitching day, bewitched, bothered, and bewildered, and big witch energy. So this is the Samantha stamp, and she also comes with the coordinating dies that are also going to be in a 6x8 format. So as you can see here, we have Darren, and he comes with his little briefcase because he's going off to work, and Dora and a black cat. And then we have nosy neighbor Gladys. The builder die for this month is a cityscape builder die, and it is, I believe, seven dies in there. You get the 2 base dies of the city, and then you get the topper of the windows. You get the 2 cloud reverse dies, and then there's also a moon die, not shown here in the picture, but there is a little moon die. Then we have the word die that is bewitched, it's the word, and then the mat underneath, and then we have a retro star stencil. We're now going to go through some of our design team's projects here. This is from our guest designer of the month, Deborah, and she is at Helmad on social media, and she did Samantha flying over the cityscape, having a bewitching day. Our next card is from DT member Betty at B-Lim Silvernail. She also has Samantha flying over the cityscape. There's the little moon, the stamp, and then of course the outline die. Have a bewitching day. Then we have from DT member Kevin, we have Darren, and he did no line coloring, and he did Darren in the daytime as if he was going off to work for the day. Next we have up another one from Betty. She also did Darren in a very nice masculine color tone of him going off to work with his briefcase. And then we have one from DT member B. She did our nosy neighbor Gladys, and she made her into a cute little retro shaker card. We also have another one of nosy neighbor Gladys from Betty Lim Simnel, and she also did a cute little You Are Magic retro card. Another one up from DT member Kevin. He did the Endora, the mother/mother-in-law, with this cute, very, very colorful no-line coloring card. And then back to another one from B. Again, the mother-in-law Endora on this really cool and shimmery type card. So that is it. This is our September release. Our releases now are going on for just 2 days. Thursday is reveals of DT projects, and then the actual product to the public will be on sale on the Friday of our release week. And I hope you enjoy our new format. Again, it's a 6x8 format. You still get You still get your images, the outline dies, the word die, the builder die, and a stencil that comes with every release. It's just instead of now individual stamps, they're all on the one sheet. So the probability of in the past of missing out because one stamp sold out and you couldn't get the whole release, now at least you're going to have that chance because it's all on the one sheet. So stick around, and tomorrow check out more of our social media to see even more DT projects, and come by the website and grab your Bewitched, Bothered, and Bewildered stamp set. Again, I'm Annie from Stamp Anything, and have a wonderful day and a crafty weekend. Bye.